code provides that not less than 3 nor more than 5 commissioners selected by district court need to be appointed in order to galvanize, if you will, no less than 15 or more than 40 prospective grand jurors, out of which 12 are selected to appear in front of that district courts for being sworn, and then to go right to work in front of the grand jury with little or no prior preparation as far as exactly what that person's duty is and how that duty can be performed. We hear a lot about the buddy system, and let's analyze that for a second. Commissioners are more likely than not to select individuals to appear on a grand jury that know the commissioner. The individual must be of good character, not have any felony or pending felony investigation or criminal investigation outstanding, but that individual will know in all probability the commissioner, and in all probability the individual selected by that particular commissioner will have some knowledge of their fellows. Thus we have, in more cases than not, when the grand jury, the whole number of grand jurors appear at the district court, you will have handshakes, you will have, hello, how are you, it's been a long time, I haven't seen you in a while. The danger in that is thus, one of the dangers is that the individual who may know another individual before getting on the grand jury may be in a position to be swayed in an inordinate fashion by the opinion of his or her friend who is also on that same grand jury. There's no prohibition to having friends on grand juries, but that basically, in the eyes of the public, taints the entire process. In order to sanitize that process, it seems to me, we have to come up with a selection of grand jurors that passes a smell test, if you will. Do you, in fact, know any of the other prospective grand jurors? And if you do, will that knowledge have any particular type of impact on your own decision-making process? And it seems to me that there should be not only an individual from the state, but an individual representing the defense bar that should be present at the time the grand jurors are selected to serve on a grand jury to ask that very question. And that should be a ground to disqualify one or the other of the individuals who are friends that sit on the grand jury. That would avoid the appearance of impropriety, and I think that is one reasonable way to correct that situation.